For tip number 4, I'd like to tell you about a little helpful hint. It's called a timer. Now, you could go buy a timer in any store. You don't have to buy a big, expensive timer, just something that you can keep next to your desk. And why I want you to use it? When you're working so hard all day long, you lose concentration, you jump up and down, maybe you run to go get something to eat 20 times a day. I was doing that. So I want you to get a timer, and what I want you to do is I want you to set it for 25 minutes. Just 25 minutes. And in that 25 minutes, I want you to concentrate on only one specific thing. And when that 25 minutes is done, I want you to take 5 minutes and get up and walk around. Get away from the work you were doing. Go get a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, walk outside, breathe in fresh air, whatever you need to do, but walk away from it, come back again, set that timer for 25 minutes, and continue what you're doing. Your brain needs that rest. What you do is you recover your thoughts, your mind is fresh again, it helps you to concentrate better. Sometimes when we're so busy, it's hard to focus in. And this is just a little helpful hint and a way to focus in. When I tell my clients to use this and I ask them, how's it working? It's like, oh my God, it totally changed what I'm doing. I can really concentrate now. So tip number 4 is I want you to use the little timer. Go buy something. I don't want you to use it on your computer because sometimes you have to do something that takes you away from your computer. Just take that little timer with you. 25 minutes, work as hard as you can on that one project. 5 minutes, walk away from it, and then go back again for another 25 minutes. And you'll be surprised how much you will get done in that 25 minutes when you really concentrate. So tip number 4, get a timer.